Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the properties window. The 3D window is the place where you set up your screen and just see what you're creating and where you're going. The properties window, on the other hand, is the engine room with all the controls that drive everything. The properties window is the main part of the vertical panel, and if you remember, the properties window is located below the outliner window. To get an insight into what the properties window does, let us start with this row of buttons. Let me drag it till here. So here you see, this is the properties window. Here, by default in Blender, this button will be the render button. It controls how the screen renders. And beside it, you'll find the render layer button. It controls rendering layer to layer and is a new feature of Blender. Beside it, you'll find the scene button. It contains some basic scene functions. And the next is the world button. Controls the scene background. Followed by the object button. It controls the properties of the selected object. This one is the object constraint button. It controls interaction with other objects. The next comes the modifier button. It controls the effects on the selected object. We have one entire section designed on modifiers. Modifiers play a very important role in the creation of the properties of objects. Next to modifiers, we have the object. The object data button shows the data affecting the selected object. And next is the materials button. It controls how the object appears. And then we have textures, followed by particles button and physics button. We will be going in the detail of all of these, as each one of these are very important in Blender.